Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and find the strobe effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the strobe effect. Almost clicked on Black Flash. So we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to bring it up to the beginning of the clip and then elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. Now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the speed of the effect. We want it to be maximum speed. So let's check it out. Oh, I mean, this effect would definitely give you a seizure. A seizure. A seizure. Yeah, that's how you say it. Well, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.